Viewers, breaking news coming in from the national capital, where showdown over Waqf Amendment Bill peaks after Ajmer Dargah had backed the Waqf Amendment Bill. Now, Congress MP and JPC member Imran Masood has called Syed Nasruddin Chishti an agent of the BJP. So now, viewers, after we saw that massive support coming in for the Waqf Amendment Bill from the chief of the Ajmer Dargah Sharif, he said that this bill intends to work for the poor of the Muslim community. He had observed in that opinion piece in the News Daily. Now, Congress's Imran Masood is calling him an agent of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Listen him.
कौन है ये? कौन है ये?
ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम
कौन है ये? कौन है ये? जिनको कोई जानता नहीं, पहचानता नहीं, कोई भी आप किसी के लिए भी आप सवाल पूछ लेंगे, हैं कौन ये? इनकी हैसियत क्या है? ये किस हैसियत में बात कर रहे हैं? ये दलाली बंद करें भाजपा की।
BJP now retorting to what Congress's Imran Masood said. Syed Nasruddin Chishti has hit back at the Congress MP and asked him to prove his allegations. Now, the Chishti of the Ajmer Dargah has come forward and said that Congress should prove their allegation as to how he is an agent of the BJP. Listen it.
अली की जो तक बात कर रहे हैं आप, तो आप ये साबित करें कि कहाँ दलाली हुई है। मतलब आपका साथ नहीं देना, आपकी हाँ में ना नहीं मिलाना, तो मतलब आदमी दलाल हो जाएगा। अगर हुकूमत की हम हाँ में हाँ नहीं मिला रहे हैं, ये हम बात कर रहे हैं लॉजिकली। आप मुझे बताएं कि आज तक वक्फ में आप लोगों ने क्या किया। आप यूपी से आते हैं, आप यूपी वक्फ के बारे में बता दें कि क्या वहाँ की प्रॉपर्टियाँ सेफ हैं। आप लोगों ने क्या स्टेप उठाए? मतलब आपकी हाँ में हाँ कोई मिलाएगा तो आपका अच्छा आदमी, और कोई डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो गई तो आप उस पर कोई भी इल्ज़ाम लगा देंगे। ये आप लोगों को जेब नहीं देता। आप जिम्मेदार ओहदे पे बैठे हुए हैं। और मैं अजमेर दरगाह के सज्जादा नशीन किबला दीवान सैयद ज़ैनुल आबिदीन साहब, जिनको पूरी दुनिया जानती है, मैं उनका जानशीन हूँ, उनका उत्तराधिकारी हूँ और गरीब नवाज की औलाद हूँ। अच्छा नहीं लगता आप ऐसे अल्फाज बोलें, क्योंकि हम तो अब जिम्मेदार पद पर बैठे हुए हैं। हम तो सिर्फ दुआएँ देंगे आपको।
Joining me live on this broadcast is my colleague Gopi. Gopi, now we see the Congress party is calling Mr. Chishti over there, the chief of the Ajmer Dargah Sharif, as an agent of the BJP. They made the same comments against the Bishop Council as well. So, Gopi, all in all, it is now that anyone who supports the Waqf Amendment Bill or speaks in support of it now is dubbed as a BJP agent. Gopi.
Well, absolutely right, Madhurima. We have seen time and again how opposition has raised array of objections towards Waqf Amendment Bill. While we have also heard what the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju was focusing on, that how there are a few elements of this country, particularly specifically a few parties who are raising concerns against the Waqf Amendment Bill. They have, he had in fact said yesterday that they have been manipulating these amendments, while in fact just a short while back we have also seen what Nishikant Dubey has in fact wrote on his X platform, where he says that this bill was in fact launched pre-independence. It was in 1913 that the first time Waqf bill was introduced, and according to this, when you see what yesterday Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju was also pondering on, was that there is a section of people, section of parties who have been raising these concerns, and they are manipulating and misleading Muslims. And when you talk about this particular bill, he also went on to say that it is in fact going to benefit the larger section of the people who are in fact the owners of Waqf bill, while there is a section of party who has been misleading the majority of audience, majority of people of this country. Yeah, back to you.
Yes, thank you, Gopi, for those details.